In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for project management. Whether you're new to Notion or just looking to optimize your workflow, we'll guide you through the essentials in just 5 minutes, ensuring you make the most out of this versatile tool. First, let's start by navigating to the Notion website. Open your preferred web browser and type in notion.com. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice the Login button. Click on it to proceed. If you're already a Notion user, you might find this step familiar. It's all about accessing your workspace, where we will explore and utilize various project management features. Now, you'll be prompted to select a login method. For this demonstration, we'll select Continue with Google. Choose your Google account to log in securely. Notion conveniently integrates with your Google account, offering a seamless transition and access to your existing data and settings. With successful login, it's time to head over to the Templates section. This is where the magic happens. Templates in Notion provide a fantastic way to jumpstart your project management journey by offering ready-made setups tailored for different types of projects. Look for the Templates option within your dashboard and click on it. Take a moment to appreciate the variety of templates available, each designed to enhance efficiency and organization for specific needs. Once you're in the Templates section, we need to locate templates specific to project management. Use the search functionality by typing in Project Management. This search will refine the results, presenting you with templates best suited for managing projects efficiently. Take a look at the offerings and pick the one labeled Project Management. Click on it to dive deeper into its features. Now, with the Project Management template open, explore its structure and components. You'll find sections for tasks, timelines, and resources, all organized to simplify your project management needs. To integrate this into your workspace, you need to click on the Add button. Doing this imports the template into your personalized space, giving you a robust foundation to work from. And that's it. You've successfully set up a project management system in Notion. With these tools at your disposal, you're now ready to manage tasks, track progress, and collaborate more effectively than ever before. Notion's flexibility means you can customize the template to suit your workflow, add team members, set deadlines, and much more, making it a powerful ally in any project. Thanks for following along. We hope this video helps you streamline your processes and achieve your goals with ease using Notion. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them below.